welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a toddler room tour for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, it's just Naomi Rose YT. You know that we have switched my daughter rooms and we've redone her bedroom completely. My husband has built her a new really awesome loft bed that I can't wait to share with you guys. So I thought I would give you guys a tour of the completed finished project because it came out, in my opinion, amazing. My daughter absolutely loves it, so I can't wait to share everything with you guys. So for this tour, I'll be sharing where everything's from for you guys. I will ask my husband if he can write up a plan on how he built this bed. He just looks at wood and he's like, hey, that's a bed. So I don't know if he will be able to give you guys a plan, but if he can, I will definitely leave that down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so we're standing outside of the room right now, and this is what it looks like when you first come in. You're first greeted by her bed. And then here's a quick overview of some of the room. Okay, so we're gonna start down here. I do have toys laid out for her because this is obviously like her room. She should be able to play toys. So I have a bin right here. That bin is from Lowe's. It's gray. It's from her nursery previously, and I have a whole bunch of books in that, and then this castle. And then here is her bed. And again, my husband built this. So first, starting with these decorations above her bed, this frame outlining the D is from Hobby Lobby. And one good tip for you guys, that was actually white and it was damaged. One good tip for you guys for Hobby Lobby is if you see something that you like that is damaged, just go up to the counter and ask if they will give you a discount because it's damaged, and they pretty much always will because they're going to clearance it out anyways. So this frame was normally, I think it was normally $50, but they gave it to me for $13, which was an amazing deal. And then I just painted it coral to go with her room. So I got that frame, and it was $13 from Hobby Lobby. The gold glitter D is also from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was probably $4, somewhere around that $4 to $5 range. And then this banner right here, and it's light pink, gold, and coral, and that was from Hobby Lobby as well. And that's kind of the theme of her room. And how I decorated her room is off of this comforter that I got from Target. It's just butterflies, and it has coral, pink, orange, blue, and gold butterflies all over it. And I basically just took things out of her comforter for the color wise and then just put that over her room as a theme. And I really, really like it. And then she has some gold heart sheets up here. I don't know if you can see, but these sheets up here, they're just white with gold hearts. And those were from Target as well. And then going over her bed real quick, this is kind of what it looks like. We built the ladder to where her foot could lay flat on it and she can grab the sides here. And then I just painted this white chalk paint. I almost stained it, but I thought since it was such a big piece that I really wanted it white, and I'm really glad that I did white. And I just wrapped some Christmas twinkle lights around here just to give some light for when she's going down the stairs. So these Ruffle coral curtains here, these are more of like a corally pink than a corally orange. I do have like the corally orange up there, but I wanted more of a lighter coral for under here. And these were from Walmart. They were $9 a panel, and I just feel like they go perfectly under here. They're super cute, and they do block out a lot of light for her. So under here, we have made like a little playhouse for her. So let's go under here. Okay, so going under here, I have two of the panels, and I just kind of tacked them up. So underneath here, I have her little kitchen. It's just pink and gray, and then I have the rope lights. And then on this side, these curtains kind of block it off, which is the purpose. I have a little chair here. My mom recovered this for her second birthday. I'm thinking about having her recover it again for me, maybe teal to match like the accents in her room. So she has that under here, and then I have another little gray bin. I don't know if you can see that, full of books so she can sit in here and read. And then she has her little baby high chair next to her kitchen so she can play under here, and it's really cute. She loves it under here. She calls it her clubhouse, and I just think this is so cool. She really loves it. I want to get her a no boys allowed sign to go under there as well, just because she says that's her and mommy's playhouse. I think that's cute. So that's everything under there, and then she can just separate these and go under there and play. Okay, so you have her bed, and then you come down and you have her curtains. And then you have this teal rug right here. This is from Walmart, and it was only $10. And then I have her little baby crib here. And then after you come up from the teal rug and the crib, I have this little set of pictures here. This is from Hobby Lobby. This was only $5. And that is really cute. I love this in her room. And then I have this sign here that says she believed she could, so she did. And this is like a coral and teal again. And this was $10. And then I have this little frame here of her little footprint and her little handprint from when she was a tiny baby. I just love that, so I keep that in here. And then once you come over from there, I have one of my favorite corners in her room. Okay, and then after you come from those portraits, I have here a little mirror, and then I have a pink Hobby Lobby flower, and then a little sign that my mother-in-law got my daughter for her baby shower, and it says Princess of Everything, and a little Walmart mirror. And then I have this little shelf here I got at Hobby Lobby. It was in the craft area for $6, and I just painted it white with craft paint with chalk paint, I'm sorry, to match her bed. And I have her little princess shoes up here. And then I have this sign that says Little Lady. I also got this from Hobby Lobby. It was probably like $11. And then a bigger and a medium-sized pink flower. All of these pink flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this little hook shelf here. I don't remember where I got this from. Probably Walmart or something like that. But then I just have her princess dresses on here. So I have a Belle and some medieval, Ariel, Minnie, just a bunch of little princess dresses. She loves playing princess, so I wanted to have these all out for her so she could come out and play dress up. So, and then she has her princess shoes here. I had to put these on a shelf because Daisy is the biggest chewer I've ever seen in my entire life. Daisy will chew anything you leave down, so I had to put these up so Daisy couldn't get them, but that way she can come over here and play princess. And then I'm thinking about putting some little hooks under here and then hanging her necklaces here so she can, you know, have fun and play dress up. I just think this is so cute. And then once you come up from her little princess dress up area, I have one of these nets holding a ton of stuffed animals. Would you believe me if I said I have already decluttered these? There are just so many that she plays with that I keep up here. I'm thinking about getting one of those bean bags and then stuffing some of those in there too. But a lot of these we just pull down every day and she plays with. Once you come over from there, I have one of these little, is this Tykes? Yeah, one of these little Tykes, like princess toy box chair things. And then I have a pillow that says Nap Queen. I got this from Target, and then one of the La La Loopsy dolls. And then she also has a princess castle over there. And then I have these like orangey coral curtains. These are the most amazing curtains ever. These are blackout curtains, and they literally make it so dark. They work so good, and these were $30 for both panels. They were super cheap. I got them off Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. They come in all kinds of colors, and these have been the most amazing blackout curtains I've ever had. They black out the sun like nobody's business. And then once you come over from the curtains, I have these little canvases here. And what I did with these is I just gave her light pink, coral, and gold paint, and I just let her go to town and paint these herself. And then she has some really cute artwork that goes along with her room, and then she has something that she can feel proud of, you know, that she's done herself. And she's always talking about these, like, oh, mommy, I painted these, I painted these. So she really likes these, and she's really proud of them, and I love how they go with her room, and they're a little bit of her in here. And then right above those, I have these little, what do you call these? Lanterns? Puffball things. I got these as a set off of Amazon, and it came with a coral, a pink, a blue, teal, orange, white, gold, everything that matched her room perfectly. I think these were, I want to say $11 to $20. I can't remember, but I will link them down below for you guys. And then I have this little picture here. I just painted this frame for her coral, and then there's a little family picture of all of us in there for her, and she likes to look at that. And then once you come from there, you have her closet, and in here I just have her bows right here. I made this bow holder for her before she was even born. All I did was take a frame from Walmart, I painted it light pink, and then I put some ribbon in here in strips, and I just clip on the bows. She's had that, like I said, before she was even born. And then I have one of these tall little cubey things in here, and I just keep a lot of her toys in there that don't fit in there. And then I have a shelf here that my husband made that I have all her coloring books and puzzles. Then I have all the clothes that she currently wears, all the clothes that she will fit into. And then I have some tubs up here for crowns, crafts, Play-Doh. And then I have a shoe bin. And then her closet is really big, and that's one of the main reasons why we switched her over, because she has so many clothes. Before, we had all her toys in here and then her bedroom in there. And honestly, she just wasn't really going into either. She was only sleeping in her bedroom, and then every now and then she would come into her playroom and play. So it just wasn't making sense to have 2 rooms for her. So we switched it over, and so far she's really liking having 1 room. She's not complaining or anything like that she missed her old room. Once you come from the closet, I have up here a banner, and this just has all of her monthly birthday pictures. I made this for her first birthday. Every month I took a picture of her. I think like most people do, from 1 month to, or actually from just born, I think she was 2 days old there, all the way to 12 months on her birthday. And I just really loved this. I thought it was so cute, and so I always keep it in here. And we always talk about what she was like as a baby, and she gets to see these pictures of her. She was seriously the cutest baby. I'm probably biased. And then right below that, we have a TV for her, and I have one of these really cool mounts that goes every which way, up, down, side to side for her. That way, if she's sitting on the floor and playing, she can have that, or if she's up in bed, she can actually see her TV. And then right underneath her TV, I have this awesome teal dresser that matches her rug perfectly, and the teal butterflies on her comforter. I got this off the Facebook Marketplace for only 25 bucks. It was a great deal, and she had just posted it like 15 minutes beforehand, and I just got really lucky and found it just in time. So this went perfectly with her room. I absolutely love it. We do have this anchored to the wall, and then just on top here, I have her piggy bank. We got this again before she was even born for her nursery. A white noise machine, her cable and Roku, a little picture of an ultrasound of her, and then a lamp from Walmart. Nothing special, just really simple on top of her dresser. Alright guys, that's it. That's everything for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you like her new room. We're absolutely ecstatic with it. We love it how it came out. And she's very excited about her new big girl room. So if you guys don't already, follow me on Instagram, because that's where I did a lot of Insta stories about her room and the process and step-by-steps of how we were doing it. So make sure and follow me there. Again, it's Naomi Rose YT. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would absolutely love to have you here. And leave a comment down below letting me know what the theme of your toddler's bedroom is. And I will see you guys back here next time. Bye!